Okay, so guys, what is up? Welcome to episode 6 of the Java programming tutorial. Um, During the last episode, we went over what methods are. Um, okay, so just a quick refresher. A method is basically a set of code within Java. And to make it easier for y'all to grasp it, it's like a chapter within a book. So a method can be So basically, a method can be called by doing something like this, and a 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 method can be declared by something like this. So like I said during the last episode, to during this episode we'll be going over something called access operator. If I am correct about that, let me check for a bit. Sorry guys, it's been a long time since I like used these words. Okay, it's actually it's actually access specifiers. I can't say the word right. No wonder I don't use the word because I can't I can't say that word, sadly enough. Um, but yeah, you just know that that those are these right here. Your public, so I'll write that down. Your public, your private, and your protected. These are eh, your access eh, access um specifier. There we go. So public is basically you can call public within within any classes you want. Um, Today we won't be worrying about protected. That will be in a later episode. We're just gonna worry about public and private. So public means you can use it within any class, and private means you can only use it within that specific class. Okay, what do I mean by that? Let's make another class and name it methods 2. So in my methods 2 class, I'm gonna make a method called public void um bamboo. And within this, I want it to be printing out something. Bamboo is good. And then want it to have another method, but a private method this time. And I'm gonna have it be tuna. Nah, that's copying it the New Boston. I don't want to do that. Let's say what else do I like? What else do I like? Kittens, just because. And I want to say system dot out dot print line kitten is mine. Okay, so let's delete these two, the chapter, and within our main method in our first class, we want to call upon these two methods. How do we do that? We're gonna call upon the class first. So let's make a methods 2. So I'm gonna name it methods 2 to make it simpler. And then a new, and then method 2. This means I basically called upon this class and made a variable of it called methods 2. And then to call upon upon the I mean, methods within here, I'm gonna do methods 2 dot, and I want to call upon the bamboo, and I want to call upon the kittens, right? But um but um but sadly I can't call upon the kittens because the kin class, no, the kin the kin method is private to only this class. So how do I call upon the kin method? I would have to go into here and do kittens and call upon this method within here. So now that that we called them, let's run it, and bamboo is good, kin is mine. And when I take away the kin, this becomes a uh, unused method. So this will only print out bamboo is good. So let's run that, and bamboo is good. Um, why would you want to do something as private? Let's say you have your private kins right here, and within your first method class, you want another method called kins. So public static kins in here also. Public static void. My bad. Okay, so a public static void kins, and then there's a kin in here. I make this public. It's mainly to reduce confusion. So let's say you have a method 2.kins right here. Now, since we made it public, we can use it within here, and then have a kin. Oops, not key index. Have a kin method right here. Worst time ever, huh? So yeah, this can cause some confusion sometimes, and that's basically why I would make my methods private or public. I don't really know how to explain it like in full detail, but that's why, I guess. And then for um for um for um for for public and private, we can use it we can use it within our variables also. Let's say I want to make a variable that's just for this class. I'll call private, and I want it to be a number variable that's whole. So int, then whole number. Um, oops. So uh, my bad, guys. Um, so private int whole number, and then I'm gonna set it to equal 0, and then I'm gonna make a public string variable, name it string, and call it as panda is panda. I don't know. I'm I'm tired. So we can call upon the private private int, just like the private uh, void kitty method. It'll be private would just be within this class, so we won't be able to call it within this class. And public, it'll be the same as the public as the public void bamboo method. We can call it within this class also. So let's do that. So and I'll call upon the string. Oops, why did I do that? So I gotta do a system that out that print line, and then now now we can call it. So this is gonna print out what's in here, and then this we'll just put it right here. Dot out dot print line as whole number is, and then concatenate it whole number. Let's make it a bigger number, 10, and then we'll be able to see that panda's panda, and then bamboo is good, and then whole number is the 10. Run it. Panda is good. Panda, bamboo is good. Whole number is 10. That's basically it for public and private. I'm sorry if I was kind of rambling. It's kind of hard to explain it and not really hard to explain it at the same time. So my mind was a little twist. Um, I'm gonna go to like the magic hole or something. Yeah, the magic hole. See you guys.